Ready?
Hi, this is our volcano, and you can see it is very hard, and this is how I made it. First, you needed a cardboard box, and then you cut the sides off, so that it will be so then it will be down to here. Then, you cut a hole in the middle. And if you have a plastic bottle, you have to cut the hole out and then put the plastic bottle on the ground and then just put the piece of cardboard through the bottle. So then the bottle will be inside of the cardboard. So then you have to put a plastic bag over it. So then when you're doing paper mache and whatever, it won't get all dirty. So then you put the bag over, and then you cut strips of cardboard, and you put them down, or fold it up top, and put it down, paper there. You have to do 4 of them, or you could do extra if you want it to be more stable. And then newspaper, crumble it up, put it between the strips of cardboard, and then you mix glue and water together. If you have cheesecloth, then dip the cheesecloth there in the glue and water, and then put it anywhere on here. And then you get a special type of plaster.
That's good.
A type of plaster, and then you spread it on. Make sure you get it over the tape so that the tape doesn't come off. And then you let it dry for an hour. And then you paint it. And then you keep the plastic bag right there. You cut a hole on top. And then you put vinegar in. And then two drops of orange food coloring, and then you put some baking soda in, and here's how you rub it. Tiny up the mountain, tiny up the mountain. Ah, volcano! Volcano! More. More. More.